Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this look. So many of you have told me that it's so hard to do a cut crease and it's quite intimidating. I won't lie to you guys. I'll show you how to achieve it in an easy way using liquid eyeshadow. So if you're ready, let's get started. If you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post new videos every week. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be informed every time I post a new update or a video. Let's start with the brows. I'm going to be using Precisely My Brows from Benefit. This is in the shade 4.5 and has clearly become my favorite brow filling pencil. I'm going to be filling in only the sparse areas as always, and I'm going to be maintaining enough distance from my lash line to the lower border of my brows because I want to create that space to do the eye makeup because I have hooded eyes and I barely have any space between my lash line and my crease. And then using some concealer, I'm going to clean up the border of my brows as well as use it as a base on my lid before I apply the eyeshadows. And I'm using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in medium 28. I'm using some sticky tape in the corners to get those dramatic straight edges, and I'm leaving a small gap in my lower lash line so I can have a continuity later on by joining my lower lash line to my upper lash line. For the eyes, I'm going to be using the new Constellation palette from Folklore. I'm first going to be taking Taurus with this blending brush from Folklore, and I'm going to build a crease way above my natural crease line. And in this process, I'm creating that shadow in the inner corner, which will later help to contour my nose. With the same brush, I'm going to take a deeper shade. This is Virgo, and I'm going to repeat the previous step of taking it all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner, and I'm going to keep on blending. And I'm also going to make sure that it's well diffused into the earlier transition shade that we used. To deepen it one notch further, I'm going to take Cancer with a fine tip blending brush. This is again from Folklore. And I'm going to really focus in the crease area. Again, repeating the previous step of taking it all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner and blending it out with the other colors. Now for an easier way to cut the crease, you don't have to clean up your lids, you don't have to apply a concealer, none of that. Instead, we will use a liquid eyeshadow. I'm using this gold eyeshadow from Miss Metal. You can use any liquid eyeshadow. And I'm taking it way higher than my natural crease line because again I have hooded eyes, and if I use my natural crease line as a guide then you won't be able to see any eye makeup. So I'm going to cut the crease and also fill in the lid. Just doing a half cut crease, so whatever I cut under that I'll be filling it in using the same eyeshadow. I'm going to let it dry for just a couple minutes so it doesn't crease or settle in the fine lines, and then using a black eyeshadow I'm going to deepen the outer corner. Now if I try to blend the black with the liquid eyeshadow that I used, it's going to look odd because there's a big color difference. To get that nice ombre effect, we need an in-between color, and for that I'm going to be using Cancer. I'm going to blend it out between the black and the liquid eyeshadow using a blending brush. In my lower lash line, I'm going to first use Cancer. And then I'm using some black eyeshadow in the outer half of my lower lash line, joining it with my upper lash line. I'm using the Folklore eyeliner pen to draw out a small wing and line my top lash line. In my waterline, I'm going to be using the Jordana Easy Liner in black. Next, I'm prepping my natural lashes for falsies by curling it and applying a coat of mascara. And for false lashes, I'm using Finesse from Black Label. I'm going to pair this eye makeup with a beautiful red lip. I got these really cute lipsticks from Folklore. These are the Folklore capsules, and I'm going to use the deep red. I like to use a lip brush to go over the borders once to get a clean cut. And here's the finished look. It's so much more easier to cut the crease with the liquid eyeshadow than doing your regular concealer and eyeshadow and whatnot, which is more time consuming also. So this is simpler, easier, faster, and also looks pretty glam. So anytime you have a problem cutting your crease, try this method out. And this is a look that you can use for any special occasion and also one of the upcoming festivals, I guess. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. For your convenience, I'm listing all the products that I used in the description box right below this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new tutorial. Bye guys.